we have an amazing credit card processing program that allows us to essentially eliminate a business owner's fees on their credit card processing, right? So I'm sure you see I got a money gun here. I've got $10,000 in cash. Now, business owners that process credit and debit cards every month and that aren't on our Wave It program are essentially throwing it in the trash every single month. They're throwing that money in the trash. Not only that, they're lighting it on fire. That's gone. That money they will never get back, right? Our Wave It program allows us to essentially stop business owners from throwing their money in the trash, right? Throw it in the trash and lighting it on fire. What is that going to do for your business? So if you own a business that takes credit and debit cards and you're not processing through our Wave It program, you're setting money on fire. That's what you're doing. You're throwing it away every single month. The fact is, in the next 5 years, every business will be on our Wave It program because it makes sense, right? So why wait 5 years? Why not do it right now? For $39 a month, business owners can process an unlimited amount of credit and debit card transactions. Not only that, we give them the best customer service, the best equipment, and the best thing of all, they get the money from those transactions in their account the very next day. I hear all the time business owners got to wait 2, 3, 4 days for that money to show up in their account. With us, it's in their bank account the very next day. Okay? Now, another huge thing is we don't have a cancellation fee. Why would we do that? That's because nobody ever leaves us. It's not like somebody can go into their business and offer them a better rate or a better customer service or better equipment, right? Nobody ever leaves us. So they can cancel our service at any time with no termination fee, right? So if you are a business owner, click the link below or give us a call and we'll get you started on our Wave It program right away. It's super simple, a flat $39 a month, no hidden fees, no BS, right? Most business owners are paying hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a month on credit card processing fees.